Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to book cab on Rapido. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Rapido, and if you have an account, just log into your account. So you can just create an account because you just need your phone number to create an account. So just get that done. Then here, once you have logged in, so you're good to book a cab. So to do that, so what you need to do, you're going to simply open up your search bar here. So this is your pickup address. So you can either use the default one as per your location. You can take the default location. So or else you can just type in the exact pickup location. So wherever your pickup location is, so just add that in. And then next is you go to like search or type in your drop location where you want to drop. So you can just search that, and then once you're done, then it's going to ask you your pickup point based on your location. So and based on your selections, you'll get these different types of vehicles and different types of vehicles and charges. So what are you going to do if you want to select one? So just select, if you are using a cab, so click on cab, and then what you're going to do, you're going to hit on you can also click on your payment method. So here, as at the moment it's on cash, so click on it, and then you can select either cash or any other methods depending on your it's up to you. So you can just choose that, and then I'll just leave it as cash. So I'll click on cab, and then what I'm going to do is hit on book cab, and what's going to do is hit on continue, and it's going to look for a cab, and then soon when someone picks up your ride, and that's it, you'll be connected with the cab, and all you have to do is just wait for the cab and then start your journey. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.